Hello my dear children, welcome to Kumar's Math Lab, where every problem has a solution. This is Class 3, Chapter 1, Part 3. In this class, we'll solve few more questions of representation of numbers up to 10,000. So, let's get started. Jatin is paying his employee using a check. Oh, have you ever seen a check? A check looks like this. We mention the name of the person, the amount which we need to pay, and the date. Okay? Through this, we can also give money to someone. Okay? So, which of the following amounts should Jatin write in words on the check? Okay. Here he needs to write the amount in words. So, what is the amount he is paying? It is rupees. Tell me, what is the amount? Yes, I'm waiting. Tell me, what is this? 2,450. Yes. So, tell me, which of the following should Jatin write in words on the check? 245? No. 204.50? No. 2,405? No. 2,450. Yes, this is the right answer. This Jatin should write here. Okay. Okay, let's move to the next question. Jatin decides to pay another employee using a check. Okay, he is paying another employee also a check. Select the correct amount to complete the check. Okay, now where is the amount written on the check? In digits? Can you see? Here it is written. Okay, so what is the amount written here? See, what number is at ones place? 5. At tens place? 2. At hundreds place? 0. And at thousands place it is 3. So, this number is 3,025. Understood? Now select the correct amount in words. Is it 325? No, it must be 3,000, right? 352? No, this is also wrong. 3,025. Is this correct? Absolutely correct. Let's see the last option, 3,205. No, this is also wrong. So, Jatin needs to write 3,025 on the check to complete the check. Understood? Very good. Pritik represented two numbers using models. Okay, here are two number models. Okay. Select the number which is represented correctly. Okay, one of these is wrong. Okay, let's check which one is the correct. See, here this is a cube, 1,000, another cube, 2,000, one more cube, 3,000. Because here we have 3 cubes, it is 3,000, right? How many flats we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 flats. How many hundreds are there? 600, right? How many rods are there? 1 and 2. So how many tens are there? 2 tens. And how many blocks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 blocks. So the number written using this model is, let's write the number, 3,627. Okay, let's check if it is written over here or not. 3,672. No, this is wrong. It should be 3,627, but it is written here 3,672. So this is wrong representation. Okay. Now let's check this model. Okay. So, how many cubes are there? 1, 2 and 3. So, how many thousands we have? Tell me quickly. 3 cubes means 3000. Very good. How many flats we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So, how many hundreds we have? 7 hundreds. Okay. Now, how many rods we have? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 rod means how many tens? Very smart. 4 tens. Now tell me how many blocks? 1, 2, 3 and 4 blocks we have. So, yes, 4 ones. Very good. Smart kids. So, the number represented by this model is, tell me quickly. Come on, help me writing. 3744. Yes, this is the number. Let's check whether it is same here or not. 3744. So, this is the correct number representation. Okay? Good. Let's move to the next question. Write the number corresponding to their number name. Okay, this is good, simple. Come on, let's do with me. 6141. So the number at thousands place is 6. The number at hundreds place is 1 and 41. You all know how to write. So the number is 6141. Okay, this is the number, correct number. Let's check the answer. 6141. Very good. Let's do the next one. 5894. So, how we will write it? What number is at thousands place? It is 5. So, 5000. What is at hundreds place? 800. Okay, and 94. How will write 94? 9 and 4. Cool? This is the correct answer. Let's check the answer. It is 5894. Okay, let's do the next one. 7546. Tell me quickly, the number at thousands place is 7. The number at hundreds place is 5. And 46, you all know how to write, I suppose. Correct? So, come on, tell me what I need to write. 7546. Very good. Let's check the answer. Yes, it is 7546 and we all were correct. Now come to the next question. 4783. Now do it quickly. Write in the comment section. I'll check. I'm waiting. Many of you did well. It is 4783. Let's check it whether we did it right or not. 4783 is absolutely correct answer. Now 6745. How we will write it? Tell me quickly in the comment section. 6745. So it is 6745. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Yes, it is the same. Okay, very good. Let's move to the next question. Move the words to correct place to complete the number name for each number. Okay, so here is a number given. We need to write the number name of this number. What number is here? Tell Tell me quickly, I'm waiting. It is 4,529. Okay. So where is 4? 4. Let's check. Here it is. 4. Let's place it here. Okay. So let's do it. 4,000. Very good. Now we need to search for 5. Where is 5? Here it is 5. Let's put it after 1,000. 4,005. And what is this? 5 is at hundreds place. So we'll write 100 after 5, right? 4,500 and what is this? 29. So let's find out 29. This is 20. Let's put it after 100. 20 and where is 9? Let's check. Yes, it is 9. Let's place it at its correct place. 9. So the number is 4,529. Okay, now let's come to this number. Now you all can do it. I already explained to you how you can do it. So the number at thousands place is 5. Number at hundreds place is 4. After that it is 29. So let's do it. What we need to search first? Yes, I'm giving you a hint. We need to search 5. So where is 5? Here it is. 5 and what is the place value of 5? Thousands place. Okay. So we need to search for 1,000. Here it is. So we need to write 5,000. Okay. Let's do it. 5,000. Then we need to search for 4. Where is 4? Here it is 4. It is at hundreds place. So 5,400. Now what is after that? 29. Yes. So where is 20 and where is 9? This is 20 and where is 9? This is 9. Let's place it. 29. So 5,429 is the correct number name. Okay? Good. Very good. Now, Rashmi was writing numbers from 8,476 to 8,520 in a table. Okay? Here is the table in which Rashmi was writing the numbers. Okay? So, some of the numbers that she wrote are incorrect. Okay, cross the number written incorrect. Okay, let's do it now. Okay, 8,476, 8,477, 8,478, 8,400. It is written 8,459, but it should be, what number comes between 8,478 and 8,480? It should be 8,479, but it is written 8,459. So this number is wrong. Let's cross it. Now move further. 8,481, 8,482, 8,473. No, it should be 8,483. So this is wrong. 8,484, 8,485, 8,486, 8,487, 8,488, 8,489, 8,490. Here it should be 8,490, but Rashmi wrote 8,480. So this is also wrong number. Now 8491, 8492, 8493 it should be, but she wrote 8483. So this is wrong. 8494, 8495, 8496, 8497, 8498, 8499, 8500. 8501, 8502, 8503, 8504. Here she should write, but she wrote 8514. So this is wrong. And after 8504, it should be 8505. So this is correct. 8506, 8507, 8508, 8509, 8510, 8501. She wrote again. No, here it should be 8511, but she wrote 8501. So this is wrong. 8512. 8513, 8514, 8515, 8516, 8517, 8508. Again she wrote wrong. It should be 8518. Now 8519 is correct. 8520 is also correct. So she wrote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 wrong numbers. And we crossed it. Okay? Okay. Place the numbers at their correct order to complete the counting. Okay. So let's do it. 9990, 9991, 9992. Here it should be 9993. Then 9994, 9990. Come on, tell me quickly. 95. Very good, my loves. 9996, 9997, 9998 and 9999. Good. So this is how we should complete it. Okay. So let's check the answer. After 9992, it should be 9993, then 9994, 9995, 9996, 9997, 9998, then 9999. So we did it correct. Let's move further. 1 more than 9999 is 10,000. Yes. 1 more than 9,999 is 10,000. Okay. So a stadium can seat 10,000 people. Place the correct seat number on the last seat. So the stadium starts from number 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and it is going all till 10,000. So the seat number at first seat is 1. Okay. And the seat number at last seat should be 10,000. Yes. So the correct seat number on the last seat here should be, yes, it is 10,000. Let's check the answer. Where we did it right or wrong? Yes, it is 10,000. We did it absolutely right. Hope you enjoyed learning. In next class, we'll learn numbers before, after and between. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.